Well, next up today, as you can see, is this track-ready EP3 Civic for a map on the K100 board. So, yeah, I suppose we'll see what it's putting out first on the dyno, and then we'll get tuned in. You in a cage?
It's a track car.
Yes, Jason, it's a track car. Ooh, EP3, silver EP3, bit of track, sort of track ready. It's got a cage in it, some bucket seats and some modifications. I believe it's got a Tegua 4-to-1 manifold and exhaust, and it's got a Tegua sort of letterbox carbony air intake thing.
Induction kit.
Induction kit's the word I was looking for, yeah.
Yeah.
I do work here.
It's got a red sunstrip.
It's got a red Honda sunstrip, which
He did say that he bought us some chocolate hobnobs, and he was expecting 5 brake horsepower for such a pleasant thing.
I haggled 3 with him.
Oh, did you?
I haggled on the biscuits.
Yeah, haggled
That's
on 3.
the second pack of chocolate hobnob biscuits we've received today. So we're doing well, mate.
Only if he'd made me a cup of tea today to swirl them down, we could have had one.
Well, I'm going to explain the rules around here one more time. How this works is, I will make the tea, but you have to wash the cups.
Yeah.
So that's why we're always thirsty.
Yeah, because I haven't washed the cups.
And then I've not made the tea.
Yeah.
So I've been munching chocolate hobnobs with a dry mouth.
Yeah, dry. Right there. Made of dust.
He brought us some energy drinks as well, to be fair, so I'll net one of them.
Got that down, yeah. Swill it down with your biscuits. How you be a sick
We do
in your
love.
mouth
I know, yeah.
At 11:30 tonight.
Acid heartburn.
Acid heartburn,
yeah.
indigestion, because we're getting to that age.
We're too old for it. We're just too old for it.
Yeah.
Well, that was it. I can't remember
What we were doing. Silver EP3 is where we were, I think.
No, I was talking about biscuits. Oh, yeah. So, if you ever do want to treat us and bring us some biscuits, we do like a chocolate hobnob.
Anything with chocolate on it, really.
I really like chocolate hobnobs, though, Rich. I really like them.
Okay, well, that's fair enough. Right. Well, it's mapped up great, didn't it? Did it not? I thought it was a little bit tappy from the top end. Your customer says he's had the valve clearances done, but I don't know if he's had them done properly, or whoever's done it has not done it properly. It's a little bit, I mean, not like horrendously bad. It's just that if I heard it come in, as we drove it in, I was like, has it had the valve clearances done? I asked the question, he said, yeah, I've had it done recently. I was like, no, okay, well that puts that to bed, but I think that's what it is. I think it's just valve clearances.
Small technical hit.
Yeah, small technical
You were talking about valve clearances.
Yeah, we were talking about valve clearances. Customer says he's had them done. I think they're still a little bit noisy.
So
one checking again.
One checking again.
In my opinion.
Yeah, but the exhaust sounded good, and I was pleased with the video that we just made of it running on the dyno. So, do you want to go and look at the graph?
Come on then, let's have a look.
Let's do it. Well, as Rich medals my salmon at the printer, here we go. This is the graph beforehand is the red line, as we always say, and blue is as she leaves. So power across the rev range, extended the rev limiter, lowered the Vtec, and we have finished on 230 brake, which is 198 at the wheels. So well done, Team Dynodaze. There we go. There's another one in the bag. Track car. So thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. And the code word is Sunstrip. And there it said Sunstrip. So we shall see you on the next one, won't we, Rich?
Will indeed.
We will indeed.
Life moves pretty fast.